This is a question I get asked a lot, is that there are a lot of elite athletes who are in the grind, right? They're either in their preseason preparing for the season to come, or they're in the middle of the season at the height of their training. And frankly, they're exhausted. And so I get asked this question about, what do I do when I'm in a situation where I know that I need to keep training, but I just feel like I lack the motivation. And I think there are a couple of ways to approach this. One is I would recommend looking at ways that you can eliminate barriers in the rest of your day so that you can solely focus on your training and that you can make that the primary source of your motivation instead of being distracted by other things that are happening in your day that are contributing maybe to your feeling of being burnt out. The other thing I would suggest too is maybe consider taking a break, because that's ultimately going to benefit you. And you may be preventing an injury by doing that, or preventing something else from happening. And many high level athletes and even recreational athletes get to a point where they're overtrained and they don't actually realize it. And that's where motivation starts to wane. And think about building in healthy breaks and making time for other activities when you've gotten to a point where you start to lose motivation, because ultimately your training will plateau and you won't get the benefit out of it that you think you're getting by resigning yourself to the routine that you're no longer motivated by.